Let's now look at this topic here, named as independent events. So independent events is where event of A will not affect another event B. Okay, so for example here, when we have probability of A given B, this is just equal to PA because B does not affect A. This is the same for this one. Probability of B given A is just equal to PB because A here, which happened before it, does not affect event B. So how to find probability of A and B? Probability of A intersect B is just PA times PB. Just multiply them. Let's see example here. Find the probability when a fair coin is tossed and a die is thrown. So when a fair coin is tossed, your sample space is HT. When a die is thrown, your sample space is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now find the probability of getting a tail and a number more than 2. Okay, so first let's find PT first. Getting a tail is 1 over 2 and F is event getting number more than 2, so PF is 4 over 6. So probability of T intersect F is just PT times PF. Why do we use this formula here? Because both of the event getting a tail and getting number more than 2 here is not dependent to each other. It is independent. So just take 1 over 2, just time PF, which is 4 over 6. So your answer will be 1 over 3. Let us see the next example here. If it is known that probability of 3 contestants, A, B, C, will able to win a chess tournament are as written here. So PA is 0.38, PB is 0.45, PC is 0.55. So assuming all 3 events are independent, okay, so A, B, and C winning are independent to each other, the first question asks us to find the probability of all win in a chess tournament. So since all win, it is just probability of A intersect B intersect C. Therefore, let's use the formula. Probability of A intersect B intersect C is just PA times PB times PC. So just take the probability and multiply to each other. Then you will get the answer here, 0.09405. Let's look at the next question. Find the probability that only A will win in chess tournament. So when A will only win, therefore, is probability of A intersect with B prime. Okay, B complement B prime because B does not win, and also C prime. So let's use the formula again. Alright, so just multiply PA with PB complement. So it's just 1 minus probability B times with PC complement, which is 1 minus PC. Then just use calculator, you'll get your answer 0.09405. Let's look at C here. Find the probability only one will win in chess tournament. Okay, so since either one will win, so we'll have 3 cases. First case, A will win. The second case, B will win. And the third case, C will win. So within the cases here, you need to multiply, use the formula. But between cases, let's use addition. So let's just write all of the formula here. And let's fill in. We already have this answer here for A win, which is the answer for B part. So put here. And then for this one, probability of B will win, others are losing, is just 1 minus PA times PB times 1 minus PC. And the last one, C will win, meaning that just put PC here. But for others, it is 1 minus PA, and for B prime here is 1 minus PB. So just use a calculator, your answer will be 0.40715. Let's see the next example here. The probability that it rains on any given day is 0.4. Okay, so let's write probability of rain at any one day is 0.4. Assuming independent events, find the probability that it will rain for at least one day in 5 consecutive days. Okay, so when we want to solve a question for at least one day, let's use the notation of probability of at least one day rain is just 1 minus probability of no rain. Okay, so this is the way how to use the notation at least one. So if you want to use the notation at least one day, you just take 1, okay, the total probability, 1, minus probability of no rain at all. Okay, so what is probability of no rain? Since probability of rain is 0.4, the probability of no rain is 1 minus 0.4, so it is 0.6. So this is probability of no rain for any given day, only one day. So what is probability of no rain for 5 days? Okay, so no rain for day 1, intersect no rain for day 2, no rain for day 3, no rain for day 4, and no rain for day 5. Okay, since this is independent event, okay, because you see here, assuming independent events, therefore we can just multiply all of them. All right, so just multiply probability of no rain day 1 times probability of no rain day 2, and let's do it until probability of no rain day 5. So it's just 0.6 times 0.6 times 0.6 times 0.6 times 0.6. Or you can simplify it, 0.6 to the power of 5. Alright, so now let's finish up this question. The probability of at least one day rain in 5 consecutive days is just 1 minus probability does not rain on any day. So take 1 minus 0.6 to the power of 5. So this is your answer here. Just use your calculator. You'll get 0.922. Let's look at the final example here. The events of A and B are such that PA is 0.35, PB is 0.48. So let's solve question A. Find probability of A union B if A and B are mutually exclusive events. So this is the formula for PA union B. It is PA plus PB minus PA intersect B. Okay, for case A, since A and B are mutually exclusive events, therefore, take note that PA intersect B will be equal to 0. So the formula will just be PA union B is just PA plus PB. So just take 0.35 plus with 0.48. So you'll get your answer 0.83. Let's see question B here. Find A union B if A and B are independent events. So since A and B are independent events, therefore it is not mutually exclusive. So we need to use this formula here. Okay. However, PA intersect B is not given in the question. We need to find it by ourselves. Alright. So probability of A intersect B, we just solve this by using the formula of independent events, which is, it is just PA times PB. So let's rearrange our formula. It is PA plus PB minus PA times PB. So just fill in the value. PA is 0.35, PB is 0.48, minus, again, PA is 0.35, multiply it with 0.48. Okay, so just use your calculator. The answer will be 0.662. So this is the end for the topic 5.4. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.